Mabhinqa kithi ngithi ake nginidodise la simbongise umfoka Khuba ngokuthi ashaye iskidi sabalandeli ku Facebook. Ngithi kodwa ake nginikhombise la ukuthi umehluko phakathi kwakhe manje nona mase senithatha nifake igama legcoka makulento ngabe liyambuza nje kuphelele lapho because igcoka melisha maliposta alikaze libathenga abalandeli. So wenza ama followers amlandelayo kuthiwa iorganic ayikaze aba nama sponsored post. Ukhuzani kwenza ipaid media isikhathi esiningi and sisebenza khona kwa social media. Bengisebenza eHollywood ke mina ngi social media coordinator sasibalandela aba 40,000 cishe manje bako 300,000 babhekele ko 400,000 because sasikade sibakhokhela. So lento kwenziwa kanjena ke uza kwipost naye uthi yabo nje la sengicontroller seplayer bets manje because ngi digital content manager ngisebenza ngo Twitter ko YouTube, Facebook, Instagram kwakhona. So uze la kwipost esuke khona yabo nje ubikanje uthi boost post uyayibooster bese uyashow ukuthi ufuna ukuthi kubantu abakanjani automatically usho ukuthi mhlawumbe ushintshe usho ukuthi ufuna ukuthi you want to get more leads, ufuna ukuthola more messages, you want to get more engagement, you want to get more visitors to your website. Ufuna ukwenza ini yonke into obani abantu ofuna beyibone le post, people who like your page and their friends noma people who like your page kuphela bonke, or unga create audience entsha usho ukuthi ufuna ukuyiboost isikhathi esingakanani abo 5 days until umhla ka 8 June ungayishintsha le date ufaka oyithandayo usho amount ofuna ukuyifaka la uthi malini abo 180 rand la ufaka noma ungafaka noma malini ofuna ukuboosta ngayo. Then bese ufaka la ekhadini lomsebenzi because linkekile la noma edit payment method then bese uyakwenza. And it's not wrong kwenza lokho ama companies amaningi ayakwenza. You want to I want to leave because ngifuna ukuyiboosta le post. Yabo nje mangathi scroll down Facebook wakhona ipost ekivele thothi page awulandeli but it is sponsored. There we go, the athletic it is sponsored le post yabo. I took a few screenshots kudala ngifuna ukukhombisa umngane wami like ukuthi okhuzani benza leyo nto leyo kuthiwa ipaid media, which is not wrong. Itabola la ethi abantu abalandeli page lakhe shiza into siyavela sponsored ethi abalandeli ababukele ngoma ethi ijele ku Facebook ku YouTube. Same thing ungabathenga abalandeli ku YouTube, ungabathenga ku Instagram, ungabathenga na ku Facebook. So it's not wrong, it's not wrong futhi umthande intenze organically, akukho wrong. Yabo kufana nenkukhu yesiZulu it's either usebenzisa uyayiyeka ikhulele omunye umuntu uthenga ulamthuthu awufide ngelento feedwa zona ukhule within 2 weeks because uzokhumbula kahle ukhuzani benabalandeli bakade be 27,000 kanti umthandene ku 90,000 because ngangibaviwa because konke sasifuna ukuyenza khona iprogram sasiyenza ensenze ngifuna abantu abazoma influencers but bakwazi ukuthi bekhule within cishe inyanga yonke wagcina sengacishe wayesegijima ko 150,000 because wenza paid media. So kuhle ukuthi simbongele but ingabe senifaka abantu ababili because indlela benza ngayo ayifani. Ukhuzani wenza ilokhuzana paid media, uyasponsor uyaboost ama post, umthandeni wenza ilokhuzana organically and ama sponsored post ayanyamalala mase sekuphelele leyo period yakhona amaningi. So yeah man, bengithanga ngifundise nje.